3 Brazilian wax methods. 1 real test. Hard wax, sugar wax and strip wax, all put to the challenge. Real people, real reactions, and yes, real pain. We'll see how they compare and which one lasts the longest after a full week. Meet our volunteers. A first-timer who's never been waxed. A regular who knows the process. And one guy who joined in just for the experience. They'll face all 3 methods: hard wax, sugar wax, and strip wax. The challenge is pain, smoothness, and long-term results. First up, hard wax. It's spread thick, left to firm, then pulled off in one clean motion. Our volunteers brace themselves, and there it is. Pain score, 7 out of 10. Hard wax grips hair, not skin, making it gentler than you might expect. Next, sugar wax. Made from sugar, lemon and water, this method is centuries old. Sticky like caramel, but surprisingly gentle. One quick pull, pain score, 5 out of 10. It exfoliates as it removes hair, eco-friendly and clean if done correctly. Now strip wax. A thin layer is applied, fabric pressed over it and pulled fast. The strongest reactions yet. Pain score, 9 out of 10. It's quick and effective but harsher on sensitive skin. Aftercare is key. Side by side, the differences are clear. Hard wax, sugar wax and strip wax, each with laughs and tears. But which one really left the smoothest finish? Let's check in with the expert. No, waxing does not make hair grow thicker. That's a myth. Ideal length before waxing? About 1/4 inch. For aftercare, avoid hot showers, skip tight clothes, and exfoliate gently after 2 days. Follow these steps and you'll stay smoother with less irritation. Fast forward 1 week. Day 1, all smooth. Day 3, irritation faded. Day 7, the regrowth shows the truth. Hard wax stayed smooth the longest. Sugar wax grew back evenly and gently. Strip wax worked, but left redness behind. So which wins? Hard wax for comfort. Sugar wax for natural gentleness. Strip wax for speed with a sting. Our volunteers cast their votes. Now it's your turn. Which method would you choose? Tell us in the comments. Subscribe for more experiments. Next up, at-home waxing kits versus salon treatments. Don't miss it.